David here, weekly week look. Today is Friday, 12th of January, 6:14 in the evening, so market's closed. We are looking at the May contract 2018. We have the daily bar chart in front of us. We can identify a trading range that has been going on since the end of November. We've got a high of 143, we've got a low of 140. Below the daily 60 SMA, the red line here, I'm putting my mouse over, we can identify a swing low back here at 140. The market this week has had 3 days down. We had a gap up at the start of the week. Where do I think it's going from now on? My long-term chart view when we looked at the start of the year was there's not going to be much movement in the old crop market. I'm still of that view. I see a range here. I feel the market until we get to May will continue within this ranging outline of this high 143, a low 140. If we see a close below the 140, then watch out. We could obviously go lower, but it probably looks as though that's where we're going to sit on the old crop. New crop, this is the yearly chart, monthly candles. We've got the 60 SMA on here in red. We can see that we're now into a new month. We are green at the present moment. December was a tight range. November was a recovery. We are holding above the 60 SMA. My view, my yearly view, going back to that, was that the new crop is finding support against what we've seen on the old crop. I can still see that this is the case on this chart. Let's go down into the daily. So I will come down to the monthly chart at the moment just to show these candles more in detail. We can see we've got green at the present moment, 142.25. Let's pop down now into the daily. We can see here a swing low here, and that swing low is at 143. We're holding above that swing low at 143 dead. We can see that we've had a fall down in November. In December, we had a recovery. This is against what we've seen on the old crop, which has been going sideways. I can put a small trend line in here. We are heading up. I would not be surprised if we don't see a test of the 60 SMA, 143.70. We have got a recovery from this swing, this trend down that we saw in October. So at the moment we're still seeing this diversion of the old crop going sideways, but their new crop is finding support, and I think looking at this chart we will continue within this range. Where would I say that I changed my opinion would be a low close below 141. So at the moment 43, that's £3 a tonne away. We haven't seen this kind of move. Well, we did see it at the beginning of December, so we haven't seen it recently. So I would see that we hold above this trend line around this 43 level and look for a test of the 60 SMA at 43.70. Thanks for watching, and I'll put an update this time next week.